from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone.
Der Spiegel, das Geil, das reflektiert. Ich hab's geschafft.
Shut the lights, go infrared.
Ja, man, genau so will ich's. Und jetzt das heißt, das nur noch eintrocknen lassen. Und dann mal schauen, wie es aussieht in 1 bis 2 Tagen. Und wenn ich das im Weg habe, dann werden noch die anderen Hölzer, das sind die anderen Hölzer. Und wenn ich das dann weg habe, dann werde ich noch den Rest, den ich nicht mit Epoxid bepinselt habe, noch mit Öl eingestrichen. Und dann haben wir eine richtig schöne langlebige Epoxid Garderobe.